MTV Channels Private Limited supported an application through its counsel, President's Counsel Mr. Udita Egalaheva, and informed the court that a motion has been filed on the 2nd of May 2023, bringing to the notice of court of the fact that an order has been made by court previously directing Mr. Dilith Jaivira to answer interrogatories served on him, and up to date there has been no answer tendered by him, and instead Mr. Haputantrige Irandit has tendered a purported set of objections and an affidavit. But however, Mr. Dilith Jaivira has failed to answer any interrogatories served on him. 20 interrogatories have been served on Mr. Jaivira. Some of the interrogatories are as to whether Hero TV, Aruna newspaper, online news websites telecast and published defamatory news items pertaining to the importation of rapid antigen test kits by the plaintiff company. And if so, did the plaintiff company institute legal action? And if so, what are the case numbers? Among the interrogatories, did Dilith Jaivira, chairman of George Steuart Health Private Limited, institute action bearing DMR 216-2012 on the basis that he was defamed, and by the said judgment in the said case, did court hold that Dilith Jaivira, chairman of George Steuart Health Private Limited, is not a person with good repute and character. During that period, at a book launch on the 22nd of March 2019 of a book named Dadabbaraya, did Dilith Jaivira, chairman of George Steuart Health Private Limited, state in front of a large public audience that he in fact consumes certain type of unlawful drugs and or unlawful contraband, that is, smoking marijuana, and also the fact that he enjoys smoking a joint on and off. At the said book launch on the 22nd of March 2019, did Dilith Jaivira, chairman of George Steuart Health Private Limited, state in front of a large public audience that he enjoys getting recklessly intoxicated, that is, to consume alcohol till he becomes unconscious? Has the plaintiff company been charged for violation of the exchange control rules? And if so, what was the value of the purported transaction and when was the penalty imposed? Did the plaintiff company make an application prior to the importation of the rapid antigen test kits? If so, was the application done online or by physically visiting the National Medicines Regulatory Authority? Mr. Sanath Vijayavardhana, attorney at law, appeared and objected to the application and informed the court that the interrogatories have been sufficiently answered by the plaintiff, and therefore there is no necessity for Dilith Jaivira to be personally present in court. Having heard the submissions made by President's Counsel Mr. Egalaheva for MTV, court overruled the objection raised by the plaintiff's counsel and allowed the application of President's Counsel Mr. Udita Egalaheva and ordered to issue notice on Dilith Jaivira to be present in court on the 18th of May 2023 to answer the interrogatories. President's Counsel Mr. Udita Egalaheva, with attorneys Mr. Muru Egalaheva, Mr. N.K. Ashok Baran, Mr. Damita Karunaratna and Mr. Niranjan Arul Pragasam, appeared for the defendant, instructed by attorney at law Mr. G.G. Arul Pragasam.